Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you some simple travel hacks that you can use when you're traveling with your kids in your car. These simple tips can make your journey very smooth and easy. So let's begin. The first tip I would like to give is to pack your own food. This will not only save you some money and time on your trip, but will also help you give your child his or her favorite and healthy food on the go. As you can see, I carried some paper napkins, peanut butter sandwiches, and freshly cut fruits. I really like these boxes because they have two separate partitions and I can fill it up with different snacks. I got this set of containers from Costco and I'll give you the link in the description below for this. Also, I made these small packages for candies and treats, some nuts, cold fish snack, and some crackers, cookies, snack bars. So these are some of my daughter's favorite treats. Also, I got a bag of popcorn just when we were about to leave. We popped this up in microwave and this was the best one to start our road trip with. Also, I made this batch pancake in disposable pie tin. If you need the recipe for this, the link is in the description below. Here's a little tip. If you want to separate your sandwiches and rolls from other family members, then you can use some stickers on it, and I think the kids will remember it more than you this way. Also, I always keep some clippers, so if you have some leftover chips or cookies, so you can use these, and also some disposable cutlery and some extra ziplocs and paper napkins. For drinks, I keep a small insulated bag with frozen ice cubes. These ice cubes I got from Dollar Tree and they work perfectly fine. I just freeze some juices, iced tea, or even water bottles work fine. They help in keeping this bag cool, and then I can just put some cheese sticks or jellies in it. This way they stay fresh longer. I use some good quality sippers and thermos to keep my tea or coffee, or sometimes iced coffee, even for Diva. And this way I get to have drinks as soon as we sit in the car. These are the new ones I recently got from Kitchen Stuff Plus. I'll put the link in the description below if you would like to check it. These are perfect if you are looking to pack some food for your toddlers or maybe for yourself that you want to stay warm for longer. Also, it is easy to use and clean. Don't forget to keep some refillable water bottles so you can just fill them wherever you get the water fountain and you don't have to spend on water bottles again and again. The next very easy tip is to keep some entertainment stuff with you. I usually carry this Scrabble booklet or dot to dot, some crayons, sketch pens, sketch pad, some playing cards, whatever your kids enjoy and they'll stay busy with. I use this small bag to keep all this entertainment stuff. It is very easy to use and has a zipper. It is transparent, so it works perfectly fine. These are a few more things that you can keep to keep your family entertained. I'll put the link in the description below if you would like to download the list of all these items. The next little hack is to use some plastic jug or container, usually a cereal container, as a small trash can in your car. You can just line it up with some plastic bag and keep your car mess free. It is always a great idea to keep some surplus kitchen bags and paper napkins, especially if you are traveling with some little ones. The next smart tip is to download some useful apps before you start your trip. The first one I would like to show you is Gas Buddy. So this app is really very useful. Wherever you are, it will help you with the nearest gas station that has the cheapest gas available. The next one I'm sure all of you must be having is Google Maps. Just a little tip here that whatever portion of Google Map you want to use, you can just select it and download it and you can use it later. That ways you won't need internet to use your Google Map for particular area that you have downloaded. The next app is Local. It's by Facebook. You just need to enter your location and it will give you the updates about all the events and local happenings around the city. So that ways you are updated in whichever city you are. The next app is Airbnb, which you probably know. It's a very simple app that allows you to book a rental or a home or hotel on day-to-day basis. You just need to enter few details like the number of family members, the dates you are going to visit. Don't forget to check out my referral code in the link below so you can get the discount on your first booking. The next app is very interesting. It's Street View by Google. You just need to download this app and enter your location or any particular place that you're going to visit, and you can actually see the 360-degree view of that place or building or park or wherever you are going to visit. I'm sure kids will love this app because they are always curious to see or know about the place where they are going to visit. The next app is TripAdvisor. Again, it's very common and I think everybody uses it. You can check some local tours, city packages, and things to do, hotels, restaurants in the city you are going to visit. The next little pro tip is to download some apps that can work without Wi-Fi or internet. So I'll put the link in the description below about the names of few apps that can actually be downloaded before you step out of the house. That ways you will save your internet. Also, you can just turn on the airplane mode when your kids are using that app or playing a game. That ways you won't see any notification in between the game, and also that would prevent you from getting charged just in case your kids click on some paid app or any such thing. The same thing can be done with Netflix. You can download some movies that your kids love or they haven't seen but you think they'll like it using the Wi-Fi at home. This will definitely help you if kids are getting cranky or just to keep them busy for a little longer time. Another one of my personal recommendation is to download some podcast that suits your kids' age. You can always play them in the car or kids can listen to them using headphones, especially if your kids love listening to stories. And again, the link is in the description below to some of my favorite podcasts for kids. The next app is one of my favorite. It's Amazon Music. You just need to buy the membership for Prime Amazon, and that ways you can download your favorite songs before you step out of the house, so you don't need to use the internet throughout your journey. If you sign up for Amazon Prime, the first 30 days are totally free. Also, you get to use many other features being a Prime member. Do give it a try. The link is in the description box below. The next very simple hack is to use old sunglasses covers to keep all the wires of all gadgets like iPads and phone at one place, and also it will resist them to get entangled with each other. The next one is not really a hack, it's just I wanted to show you this little crochet basket that my mom gifted me. I use it as a little organizer at the back seat of our car just to keep all little knickknacks at one place like a sanitizer, face mist, wipes, water bottle, medicines, pen, sunscreen, etc. So they are all at one place and very easy to grab. The next step is to walk if and whenever you can. Walking around the new city or place will help you explore it even more, and not to mention will save some of your money. Also, you will feel and stay active throughout your journey. The next one is to check your vehicle at least a day in advance and keep it ready for the trip, like washing it, checking the gas or fuel, the tires, emergency kit, registration certificate, etc. It will surely help in making your journey smoother and will save you from some unnecessary spending. Last but not the least, stay safe and stock up on wet wipes, disposable gloves, some extra masks and sanitizer so you don't have to purchase them. It is a good idea to keep these small wet wipes handy with you and to keep a big bottle of sanitizer which you can refill into the small bottles of your kids. I wish you a pleasant and safe journey, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you liked some of my hacks and tips, then do hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, then do consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.